Halo kwa familia ya Frederick na watu wa Sega, watu wa Ugenya, watu wa Siaya na Wakenya wote kwa jumla. Mimi nina machache sana ya kusema. Wacha nizungumze kwa Kijaluo kidogo, alafu niongeze yale ya ziada kwa Kiingereza ama kwa Kiswahili. Mokwongo atibo mosahenya ni familia kwa mlalo woi mapoten woi milongo ni Frederick. Frederick ne ntie di chemoro no biro le madala mo loso koda mina mor koda ahinya nikech nokawo hatua mo biro neno nyake dala. Omiyo an okalos na biro iliel taloso kaka ngat mose tudre kode ka en mochopo dala na kama adakie. Ka achiel gowadgi miluongo ne Rig, adwa wacho kae ni e Kenya masani piny obiro mopogore. Sani kin jatelo kama intie ng'e ni nyalo deal kodi saya saya. Kama intie no inyalo nyori saya saya. Ng'ama ng'e no ok nyal nyoro e piny ni en Raila Odinga. Gimomiyo inyalo nyori saya saya. Nyocha uneno ka Eric ng'at achiel kende kokawo faras modhi go e bunge to Kenya government koro ogolo mama ni koro yware gi Eric ayie kodi iwacho randere oyie miero randere oyango e Kenya masani opogore kiketho ni jopiny tidil kodi perpendicularly mana sano. And if you have not learned that lesson, the generation of Eric and his brother Fred will show you something you have never seen. Now, I want to say this with all seriousness. First of all, I support the young people in what you have done. You have shown that the power of the people is more powerful than the power of the gun. And pokaneno ibunge nyakanene kamorit gi police ne jopinyo odonjo mu police oringo nyaka wabunge oringo migi chieme bunge. Omiyo kata kin police egaka kata in police ukwalaka kata in jatelo mar sirikal kamoro amora, the power of the people are going to deal with you if you mess up with the people. Kaka kae inyalo yudo kata ogul mama moro penji ni unatoka wapi. Tini janyambiro kata upenji ni unatoka wapi. In minyalo penje ni modangi itini ni akure. Sasa tabia kama hizo ndio hatutaki. You have to realize that Kenya is going down the drain. The president has announced that he has no money. If you are Mama Mboga and Ruto promised you anything, he has said he has no money. If you are unemployed and you are looking for a job, Ruto has said he has no money. If you are in business, Ruto is telling you that doing business now is not possible. So you the people, if Ruto is saying he's unable to govern, he's saying he's unable to govern because he has no money. The only alternative is to retire him. The only alternative is to retire. And when we retire Ruto, he must go with all his people. Hakuna mambo ya deputy president amebaki. Hakuna mambo ya kwamba Wetangula amebaki. Hakuna ya kwamba ati chief justice amebaki. Wote waende. Wote wafanye nini? Na juzi Mudavadi said, I'm not in Kenya kwanza. Mudavadi is the prime cabinet secretary. He's the one who works with the president. Mudavadi said that if the finance bill fails, that is a motion on no confidence on the government of the Republic of Kenya. Now the finance bill has failed. So the motion on no confidence on Ruto has succeeded. So the only alternative is for him to give Kenya a break. And you know, all these things Raila Odinga talked about them 2 years ago. Alizungumza haya maneno yote kuelezewa Kenya, mkienda hapo mtapotea. I am happy, ninajaa na furaha tele nikiona sehemu ambapo watu walimpigia Ruto kura. Kama wewe ni mbunge, kama wewe ni MCA, kama ulipiga kura vibaya, wananchi wako na wewe moja kwa moja. Nafurahia hiyo sana sana sana. And the struggle must go. The struggle must. The struggle must. And here I want to conclude by saying there is nobody in this country who has been so consistent about fighting for the people. And Raila has been selfless. He's gone to jail. Last year he was nearly killed by policemen who shot at him during a demonstration. He has been extremely consistent. If there is a basis for determining which pathway Kenya should take in order to bring out change and to preside over this revolution, which has taken Kenya by surprise. He has taken the whole continent by surprise. If Kenya succeeds, if the young people in Kenya succeed, the entire Kenya, it will work in our favor. With those many remarks, I now want to bring the microphone back to Eric. Eric, now it is your turn.
Check.
And I am honored and privileged to ask you now to conduct the balance of the program. Asante sana.